Welcome back, you guys. I haven't done a video in a while. I've been lagging it. I've been real lazy about it actually, and you know, other things that I've been doing. But I have a unboxing. I haven't done these in so long and I miss those. I really like doing those. They're fun. They're a little bit expensive, but I do like them. But Fashom is not that expensive, to be honest, as compared to other ones. But I have my Fashom box. I got it the other day and I really need to open it because it's just been sitting here for days. I need to turn it back in. So let me open that. And this time I requested some dresses because, you know, summer is coming soon, spring is coming soon, and winter is already going to end soon. So I didn't want to have winter clothes right now. Okay. So it always comes with this that says hello beautiful, and they do give $1. I think it's to New York. Let me see what it says. I think it is to, because I forgot, it's been a while since I've done this. They give $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York dogs. So each box, that's what they do. So that's cool. That's always good. Then they give you the invoice, and that's all of your prices and everything like that. And then, like, just like other boxes, you know, they give you this to send back your stuff for free. So let's see, here's my bundle. I asked for things that are not too bright because, I don't know, I just don't like things too bright. So let's see what they gave me today. Well, you know, you already see. So with Fashom, you already see what you're getting. They gave me this time a little more because I requested a little more things to look at. And you get to pick 5 things out of that. And let me tell you guys real quick also. So if you keep 3 to 4 items, you get 25% off. And if you keep all 5 items, then you get 30% off. Yeah. So here I have a dress. That's what I need. I need dresses because they're so versatile. Like when I lose weight or gain weight, I feel like dresses are so forgiving for that. So let me see. This is from Les Amis and this is a medium. I'm going to try it on for you guys, but this is the pattern on that and it's cute. I like the little tie thing here because I like to insinuate. I like to, what is that word? I like to insinuate, no, insinuate, whatever. I just like to, like, you know, tighten it up on waist so it looks like you're a little more skinnier than you really are. And then I have this shirt. I just thought it was cute, nice and flowy for spring. It's like a navy blue with little white flowers. And then I have this one. This is a coral color. Oh, I didn't say who this was from, huh? Okay, this is from the same company, Les Amis in large. And then this is from Crescent in medium. I think it's like an off the shoulder type of shirt. And you guys can see the pattern here. It is some really cute little flowers. Kind of reminds me of summer, this one right here. And I got another dress. This reminds me of a black dress I got from a Stitch Fix box actually. It's really cute. It has a little bell sleeve here. And then I got a shirt. And I love this shirt. Kind of reminds me of like boho style shirt. Here, and then here's the back. So I'm gonna try it on for you guys anyway. And it has little gold on it. So those are the pieces I got. So I'm gonna try them on real quick. Here's the first shirt. So it's like a navy blue and it has embroidering right here. It says that each shirt is individually embroidered, so that embroidered, whatever. And so each shirt is different. I guess everybody gets like their own one of a kind design or something. The only thing I can say about this is that's very loose here. I don't have enough here to fill this in. So, and then the back, I would definitely have to, you know, wear no bra or those like things that, you know, that stick here for the back one, because it shows too much of my bra here. And it's a little too big right here. So I definitely would have to downsize, or it's just maybe not fit for my body. But I do really like it. Let me pan out. So it is cute. This is my type of shirt, for sure. But it's cute though. See, it has like gold right here, embroidery. Super cute. But I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I don't think so because it's just too like big here. Very loose. So here's the next shirt. It's also like a navy blue and it has some like white designs, so you guys can see here. And honestly, I don't think I mean, it's cute. It's definitely cute, but I don't think I really like it on myself. I mean, it's all right. Maybe if I wear some tights with it, because I'm just wearing jeans right now. But I do love shirts that have this little flare, like, I don't know what you call this when it comes together. But here's the back of it. It's cute. And then the sleeves, I don't know what to do. So I have one like up like that and then one down. I think you have to like roll it up. I'm not sure. But it's soft, it's comfy. But like I said, I'm not sure if I really, I'm looking in the mirror here, that's why. I'm not sure if I would really like it. I feel like maybe it makes me look a little too big. I mean, it's very cute, but I don't know. I'll see. This one is the coral one, and I'm gonna be honest, it's actually kind of tight. So right here, it's tight. Maybe this is just not my size, I guess. But I do like it. From right here, I like it. The only thing is, when I move around, it's gonna go up and down, up and down. But I really thought it was cute though. The only thing is, like I said, I move around too much. And here's the back of it. I move around way too much. So there's no way that these are gonna stay up here. Like, no way. I mean, stay down here. They're actually gonna go up just like that. It's cute. I love the color. I love the pattern. Let me see if I can show you guys a good shot of the pattern just in case you guys like it. I think it's really cute. I love the sunflowers and the colors of it. Definitely spring and summer, and I think you get away with it with fall too. Definitely this color because it's not so bright. I really like it, but like I said, it's just gonna go up too much. Let me show you guys the print on this dress. So here's it up close. It has some yellow little flowers with some red, and then it's black, obviously. And the sleeves are cute. I really do like the cut. I love dresses that, you know, make you look a little more skinny here, for sure. I don't know if this goes in the front or back. Whatever, I'll move it. But anyway, it's super cute. I have my pants under. I don't want to take them off, too lazy. But anyway, I think they're cute. It's really cute. It's like a cute little fun dress, I guess, and it's lightweight. So it's like definitely one of those ones you can wear like summer night. It's really cute. Here's the back of it. The only thing is it does have a little bit of a puff. The only thing is it does have a little bit of a puff here, but not too much. I thought I was gonna look like super broad because I already, you know, kind of big. I don't know what to think of it, honestly. It's cute. I don't know. I always get like that. I just get undecisive about stuff and I don't know what to pick. But it's cute though. I mean, it's not something I'm gonna wear all the time. Definitely not. But yeah, it's cute though. I have to say, I love this dress right here. I like the color. I like the cut. I mean, I don't really go anywhere much, but I love the sleeve. See if you guys can see good. See the sleeve. I love things that are like bell sleeves. And let me show you guys up close like what it looks like. It's pretty. I like the color. It's a little see-through, just like the arms here, the sleeves. And then it gives me a waist also, so I like that. And it's not too short. So it's not too short and it's not too long either. But I really, really, really like it though. I really like this dress. Here's the back. So here's the back of the dress. Super cute. I really like it. I love the way it fits. Like I said, it's not too short. It's not too you know, long, and I just love the fit, and I love these sleeves like so much. It's definitely, I think you could put this for fall too. Definitely like one of those colors also, and get away with it for spring. Okay, the Naked Zebra one, this one that I really love too. I really like this a lot. The only thing is, like I said, you guys seen that the side was really loose for me. I'm gonna try to see if I could get a different size, and hopefully that one will fit me better. This is like perfect for summer. I love this so much. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is my favorite piece. I just hope that if I get a medium, that it's gonna fit me much better. And I like that everybody's embroidered piece is different, you know, compared to everybody else's. That one is $38 for this. And then this one right here, I probably will not get this one. It's really cute. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think also. I'll put this out as soon as I can so I can get everybody's, you know, opinion about it. The thing is, sometimes I like things and I'll buy things, and then later I'll try it on or I'll put it on and I don't know, I'm just not feeling it, and then I won't even use it. That happened to me so many times already. But I do like it. And anyway, this one is, let's see, $42 for this. You guys know I love the print on this one. I just said that when I was trying it on. The only problem is it's not gonna stay on me. It's just not. This is a medium. Maybe if I got a size large, maybe I could ask for a size large because this is medium. I don't know, but I really love the print on this like so much. The only thing, like I said, it's just not gonna stay up, but it's really cute. And that one is $35. The last dress, which I really think is cute too. I just think everything's cute, huh? I swear, I need to get like another word in my vocabulary. But I like this dress too. The only thing is, this is not a dress that I'm gonna use very often. I already know that for sure. It's only gonna be sometimes. And this one is, let me see, $52 for this dress. I mean, you know what? I know it's expensive, but I do have to say, the things that I get from like unboxings, a lot of them have lasted me so much longer, and I still have them actually, than compared to me going to the store and buying some. They do last better. I think they must choose like better quality compared to like, you know, when I go to Target or, you know, so and so. Anyway, and then I have the Andrea long dress on right now, which is this one, which I love for sure. Already know I'm gonna keep this one, and that one is $58. And I did have a discount already, so let's see. So if I keep, I think it's 3 pieces. Let me double check. Okay, if I keep 3 to 4 pieces, that's $25, which for sure I'm already gonna keep this one. And let's see, this one I'm gonna ask for a different size, and then this one I'm gonna ask for a different size. So if I keep those 3, then I get 25% off. If I keep all of them, then I go ahead and get 30% off. So if I keep everything here, that's $157, and all of this total to $225. So with the discount, it's $157 for all of it. So I'll see, like I'll calculate everything to see what's worth it, because obviously I would wear this, but you know, like I told you, sometimes I get like, oh, why did I buy that? Why did I get that? And then I don't like it. And then that one I will wear, but it's only sometimes. So I'll see if all of this is worth it or not. If you guys are interested also, I'll go ahead and put a link, and it says you get $10 credit. So if you use my link, you'll get $10 off also. So that's it. That's my one. I haven't done one in like, I don't know how long, but hopefully there's more to come, because I love doing these. And I'm a little bit quiet because we have someone living here, and I'm a little bit embarrassed of filming. That's another reason why I haven't filmed that much either. So I'm a little bit embarrassed, but you know, I need to get used to it a little bit more. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Bye.